A vaccine co-developed by Singapore researchers has completed its first phase of human trials without a hitch. The Lunar-Cov19 vaccine is a tie-up between the Duke-NUS Medical School and US firm Arcturus Therapeutics. Now, the trials conducted by SingHealth will now move into its next phase.
Of all the 106 participants that took part in the earlier study, nobody dropped out from the study because of side effects. Everyone tolerated the side effects, which were relatively mild and very transient. Most of the side effects are resolved within 1 to 2 days. And in all the participants, we saw a very good immune response.
The second of 3 phases will begin next week with 100 participants in Singapore and 500 in the US. Meanwhile, the final phase has been pushed back to the second quarter of next year. That's to give more time to compare the trial with data from other vaccines already being used. It's also to let researchers test a powdered form of the vaccine, which won't need to be stored in super cold temperatures like others. Developers aim to have the Lunar-Cov19 vaccine licensed by the end of next year.
Right now, the vaccine is shipped frozen, but we understand that that presents a logistic challenge. And so the company is developing a version that is in the form of a powder that you then add the diluent and then mix at the point of vaccination. The powder form is very stable, and you don't need the kind of low temperatures for shipment.